Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Fei step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then follow in one word and one sentence. Now let's write. Fei, Fei to not be. Wrong. Simply must. Simple must.是非 right and wrong.是非 right and wrong. There is no right and wrong, only actions and consequences. There is no right and wrong. Right and wrong. Only actions and consequence. 没有对与错，只有行为和结果。没有对与错，只有行为和结果。There is no right and wrong， 没有对与错。只有行为和结果。There's no right and wrong, only actions and consequence. 没有对与错，没有是非，只有行为和结果。非 in cursive. Fei to not be. Wrong, simply must. 是非 right and wrong. There's no right and wrong, only actions and consequence. 没有对与错，只有行为和结果。非 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 非. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.